Hi, so if you're watching this video, I will share with you exactly step-by-step framework that I have been using with Google Ads to create over $15,000 in commissions. So I'm going to share with you step by step so you can exactly understand what is going on and how you can apply or copy and paste the same framework for yourself if you are affiliate. For example, if you are promoting products on clickbank. Now I did it with a high ticket offer. Over here you can see it's not a low ticket offer, but I would suggest you, if you have the desire to make quick money, let's say $5,000 really fast in 2 to 3 weeks, then the best method is to apply this framework that I'm going to show you today in this video. So stay tuned and watch until the end. So you can see over here, those are the commissions. Now let me show you over here another tool that is really helpful. You can see this is Uber Suggest by Neil Patel. So you can see you can go and use it for free. It's very great tool, and I will show you why. You see, on Google it's all about the intent. Facebook and Google are the platforms, right, for advertisement. Now the best or let's say one of the best things on how Google separates itself from Facebook is that on Facebook you are targeting people by interest, right? What they like, who they follow. But on Google you are basically targeting people by intent. You see, when a person go to Google, they already have a buyer's intent, and that's much more powerful thing than having only interest, right? Intent is already, okay, I need help, I need solution to my problem, so let me go on Google and find the product, find the solution for my product. For example, let's say that if I'm in the keto niche, weight loss diet stuff, right? I'm looking for proteins for to add muscle mass. I will go and type in on Google. I won't go on Facebook and look for protein, right? I will go on Google first and search what are the best proteins to gain or for bulk, right? To add muscle mass in 30 days, let's say. So you can see over here on Uber Suggest, you can go and search how many people are basically looking for the keywords that you're about to promote. So you can see over here, this is the very generic weight loss, right? It's very generic. Don't go into the weight loss and just try to target because you're going to lose a bunch of money. So go into the sub niches. You see in the weight loss, or let's say wellness and health niche, you have many sub niches. Especially, for example, one of the sub niches is bodybuilding. All right, how to build muscle, how to get six pack in less than 30 days and stuff like that, right? It's much more better than if you go in the generic for everyone. I'm here like a Jesus for everyone, right? To save everyone. You cannot do that because you're going to lose a bunch of money. You can see over here, the search volume is 200,000 and SEO difficulty is 76. Now what is SEO difficulty? SEO difficulty is if you go organic way, that you want to, let's say, be on the first page on Google. When you have the people see your blog and they see how this is your blog with the affiliate links built in. Now this can be really hard to do that, and it can take even to 3 years to rank on Google. So another thing you can do is paid traffic, which is Google PPC, pay per click, right? So you can see our paid difficulty is 95, which is really high, and cost per click is $7.3. So this means that if you have an ad on Google right now at this moment for weight loss, and if someone's click on your ad, this does not mean they're going to buy your product. Only click, right, out of curiosity or interest, you're going to lose $7 or invest $7, right? So Google gonna take $7 from your account immediately whenever someone click on your ad, even though they don't buy anything, just click. So you must be really smart about targeting, because you see, as I told you before, you have many sub niches, and you can go and you see over here, you have weight loss pills, volume 135,000, cost per click is much more lower, you see $4. Then you have over here fast weight loss, or you can go in the hormone, different kind of niches. Now what I want to tell you in this video is I have applied the same methodology for the high ticket super affiliate offers. Now what do I mean by that is one of the best ways to make money very fast is to have the offer that is paying at least 500 to 2,000 US dollars, for example, let's say. So why? Because you need far less sales than if you're getting only $50 to $100 per sale. Of course, you can make good money as well. But if you don't have enough money for ad spend, I would suggest you to go with a high ticket offer first, because that way you can create a cash flow, because you need some kind of cash flow, right? First, over here, you need cash flow, so that cash flow can fund your ad campaigns, right? When you have, let's say, $5,000, it's much more easier to put that $5,000 into Google Ads to run low ticket affiliate offers. For example, on ClickBank, right? You can go into woodworking space or other niches. You don't have to compete with the rest of the affiliates who are going into the weight loss. Everyone going into the weight loss. So it's a huge competition. It's big market, yes, it's evergreen niche, but it's a huge competition. So you should go into different niches, right? And make money online. It's also very, very great niche. And I will show you over here what you can do on the Google right now. So I will go over here, click out, and you can see I'm in my Google Ads right now, and you can see over here you can create a new campaign. So basically you have step-by-step method that can guide you, but you can just skip that process and just create your own campaign. So you see here you have different options. You can generate leads, you can get website traffic, you can get brand awareness and reach, you have app promotion, and if you have restaurants or hotels, you can get local store visits and promotions, right? Now, one of the best ways you can go is just go over here, create a campaign without a goals guidance. So I would click that. So over here, and then you see you have different options. You have search. This is what is called Google PPC, Google pay-per-click, because it's Google search. It's what people are searching in Google. When they type in the search, Google search, like how to lose weight, how to get rid of toothache, how to get my ex back, or like how to get rid of my back pain, all of those stuff, right? Or people who are about to have a cancer or stuff like that, really, really painful problems that they are dealing with, or how to find the right meals for diabetes, right? People who have diabetes, type 2 diabetes, they want to know which supplements or which food it's going to help them with their disease, right? So if they see your ad is relevant, if your ad copy connects with the market, right? It has to connect with the market. They have to feel like you understand them, they are getting value for what they're going to pay, right? So if they see that the value is way higher than the price, then of course they are going to buy and keep buying the products. It's all about continuity, right? Keep buying the different products, upsells and things like that. That's why you as an affiliate can make more money. Now with high ticket offer, you only need, let's say, 2 sales for $500 to make $1,000, right? So you can afford to spend $400, right? In some cases you can spend $500, and if you make 2 sales, you make over $1,000 back. So it's really good. Like even you spend $200 on Google Ads, right? And you get only 1 sale for 500 commission, you still make $300 profit. So it's really great idea and concept, but you have to understand you need someone to guide you through step by step, because otherwise it's just gambling, right? It's just about trying and testing what's working, what's not working, split testing headlines, stuff like that. You have to understand how to get the leads. It's not only about the leads, it's about attracting the right quality leads. And the second step is, after you get those leads, what to do with them, right? You need to convert them. You need to have a conversion system. Now, conversion means you need to get them to, or close them to the sale, right? So they buy the product. And this is the job of your landing page. So if you do this correctly, I call this an I3 page. An I3 page is the page where the person comes to the page on Google, they see your landing page, they get the idea, they get the concept, they know it step by step, it's done for them, and also at the end they find that they are getting much more higher value than if they purchase from someone else. So it's really, really great concept, and if you understand it, and if you apply it correctly, then you can have the same results like I've shown you before. So if you're still watching this video and if you want to get started with Google Ads, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and my email. We can connect there and see if we are a right fit to work together. So please subscribe to my channel And if you have any more questions, or if you want to know how it's done, this is not a course, it's done with you program where we connect one-on-one and get it up and running. So please subscribe to my channel, and for more questions, just let me know on my social media accounts. Over there we can chat in the DM or have a call and the real conversation. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.